Hey YouTubers, this is the Captain with a video response to the goal contest for favorite EDC. That was a hard choice to make because I carry a lot of stuff, but I guess my favorite EDC would be of course another knife, and it would be probably the Rat 1 by Ontario Blades. This one's the one with the satin finish, or satin finish blade. It comes razor sharp. It's very well constructed. It's on the heavy side, but with this you could actually do your batoning without any problems. You could use it as an everyday knife. It won't freak anybody out. But if you had to, you could also use it as a self-defense blade, because let me tell you, if you cut somebody with it, they'll be cut and hurting and then bleeding a few seconds later. And if you don't believe me, I wasn't too careful on my first video attempt. I want to also give a shout out to the sponsors of this contest, which is EDCdepot.com. They are a website that specializes in EDC carry, and I got to tell you, I order from them quite a bit, and they are a cool website. They do have some pretty competitive prices. They also give you a free gift with every order. Usually when you order, you receive one of their cards. Make sure you keep their cards, because usually on the back there's some type of discount code for your next order. I don't know if the percentage changes, and yes, I cover the code. Sorry guys. But they're always willing to give you the best deals and give you a break on some prices there. But I'll tell you, if you're into tactical, this place is like crack. You'll be, it's very easy to go crazy there. These are just some of the items I just recently received, just about maybe 4 days ago from them. I picked up the Topps Gear neck chain, another one. I have plans for this for another kit that includes the whistle. I'm using my iPhone, so I have to do this one-handed. The Fire Striker, the P38. I picked up an extra Moro blade knife, which was very, very reasonable. All carbon steel blade, carbon stainless steel. And like I said, reasonable price, so do check them out. And but try to go easy when you do. My wife's already learned to hate that logo when she sees it in the mail. Anyway, thanks for the contest, and thanks to EDC for the sponsorship and for all the stuff that I've been ordering.